This video presents 14 factors contributing to persistent poverty. Some of these may be unexpected, while others may resonate personally. However, all are intended to provoke thought, encourage reflection, and inspire action. If you are prepared to cease making excuses and begin accumulating genuine wealth, continuing watching this may serve as the pivotal moment you have been anticipating. We shall commence. Number 1. Lack of financial discipline. Engaging in financial discipline serves as an effective strategy for wealth accumulation. Financial discipline is not exclusively dictated by income level. Instead, it depends on the capacity to manage earnings effectively and consistently allocate savings, irrespective of the amount. Allocating a portion of earnings to savings and maintaining disciplined spending habits is recommended as you evaluate the option of reallocating a segment of your savings. Number 2. Not acquisition of new knowledge. Many individuals believe that education concludes at a specific age, typically around 25 or 30, upon obtaining a graduation degree, after which further studies are deemed unnecessary. However, this stands in stark contrast to the actual situation. It is essential to maintain consistency in the acquisition of new knowledge on a daily basis. Affluent individuals and those with high aspiration consistently seek to acquire knowledge regarding personal finance, wealth accumulation strategies, and a range of related subjects. Individuals who fail to acquire knowledge on a daily basis and instead spend their time on unproductive YouTube videos and shorts often experience a deficiency in financial resources throughout their lives. Please subscribe to our channel and click the like button to access additional financial insights and strategies for wealth accumulation. Number 3. Abandoning efforts prematurely. Ceasing efforts upon encountering initial challenges is the idea that individuals who attain success demonstrate persistence, whereas those who abandon their efforts do not achieve their goals. Is broadly acknowledged. Individuals often experience setbacks when confronted with challenges. Nonetheless, those committed to achieving their objectives will persevere and advance, irrespective of the obstacles they face. Dedicate yourself to your objectives with steadfast commitment and perseverance, as this approach will facilitate the attainment of financial success. Number 4. Constantly seeking rapid financial gain opportunities. Opportunities that claim to generate quick wealth are often misleading and can lead to financial loss or fraud. It is advisable to reallocate the resources currently dedicated to identifying these schemes towards established and sustainable methods for wealth accumulation. Emphasis frugality, investment strategies, and entrepreneurial endeavors to establish a robust financial foundation. Number 5. Attributing circumstances to external factors. Numerous individuals often ascribe their difficulties to external factors. Individuals frequently ascribe their difficulties to external factors, including government, employers, family, friends, society, and even supernatural influences, instead of assuming personal responsibility for their situations. Your financial situation is fundamentally shaped by your decisions, and your commitment to success is essential in the process of wealth accumulation. Number 6. Associating with unproductive individuals. Jim Rohn, a prominent motivational speaker, asserted that an individual typically mirrors the average of the 5 individuals with whom they associate most frequently. Interacting with individuals whose values differ from your own can profoundly affect your mindset and behavior. Being aware of one's associations is crucial, as they can significantly influence future results. The presence of appropriate individuals can markedly impact one's personal and professional development. Interacting with 5 accomplished individuals can enhance your own capabilities, positioning you as the 6th member within that successful network. To attain wealth, it is crucial to reduce interactions with individuals who display negativity, lack ambition, or do not share your aspiration. Number 7. Neglecting to confront your fears. Many individuals experience a fear of failure. However, those who attain success are frequently those who act despite these concerns. Comprehend methods to improve risk tolerance, rapidly adapt to alterations, and manage unexpected results. Do not permit your concerns regarding possible outcomes to impede your advancement in life. Number 8. Inability to regulate the pursuit of excess. Excessive desire may result in negative consequences, as it compels individuals to pursue more than what is necessary, potentially endangering their current resources. The pursuit of superfluous possessions may result in imprudent choices, potentially leading individuals to inadvertently violate legal constraints. Setting explicit financial objectives serves as a strategic approach to regulate one's aspiration, facilitating the identification of the necessary resources to fulfill these ambitions. Number 9. Neglecting to establish ambitious objectives. To attain wealth, it is crucial to establish ambitious objectives that stimulate and inspire motivation. Individuals frequently exhibit a preference for familiar environments. Nonetheless, it is crucial to acknowledge that substantial growth generally transpires beyond these confines. To attain substantial results in life, prioritize the establishment of ambitious goals that may seem initially unachievable. These narratives will be shared with your grandchildren as you age. Expand your limits, and you will discover that you have the capacity to accomplish more than you once thought feasible. Number 10. Absence of concentration. Every successful individual or organization has a product that served as the catalyst for substantial financial success. In the absence of a defined objective or purpose, one may become merely a statistic, existing rather than genuinely thriving in society. A successful product typically has a dedicated individual who is committed to its development until it reaches substantial sales figures. Clarify any ambiguities in your cognitive framework. Concentrate on a select few objectives and adhere to a singular course of action until success is attained. Number 11. Anticipating a favorable reversal. A significant number of individuals prioritize the notion of miracles, frequently opting to visit different churches in pursuit of these extraordinary occurrences instead of actively striving to achieve either personal goals. The rise of miracle and prosperity pastors has led many individuals to hold the belief that prayer alone can yield unforeseen financial rewards. The Bible underscores the significance of self-initiative and personal responsibility. Individuals who adopt proactive measures are converting challenges into attainable results while pursuing a miracle. Number 12. Seek assistance. During challenging periods, individuals may perceive themselves as capable of addressing their difficulties autonomously and may be reluctant to pursue available support. Acquiring knowledge from experience is essential, and utilizing the insights gained by others can markedly decrease the probability of facing preventable challenges. Achieving financial independence presents significant challenges. However, the guidance of role models and mentors can facilitate this process. Number 13. Reflecting on regret. Mistakes are an inherent aspect of the journey, and despite our best efforts, their occurrence is inevitable. In such situations, it is important to recognize the outcome, derive valuable insights, and endeavor to move forward. It is essential to avoid ruminating on past events that are beyond one's control, as they have already been resolved. Concentrate on the forthcoming opportunities, as the future remains malleable for your influence. Number 14. Merely floating. Many individuals traverse their life journey lacking a distinct sense of direction or purpose. Individuals derive fulfillment from engaging with each day as it progresses, appreciating life in the present moment. A lack of significant changes in your life over the past 5 years may suggest an excessive focus on work that does not contribute to overall productivity and personal development, which are separate dimensions of life. Employment opportunities are consistently present. However, the chance to pursue one's passions and achieve personal aspiration is limited. It is imperative to initiate action and commence progress. Engage in informed decision-making regarding your life to observe the subsequent success. Please subscribe to our channel and activate the notification button to stay informed about significant financial news and insights.